Welcome to first PU online classes. Students, yesterday we have discussed the acute mission. In the acute mission, we find the acceleration formula and tension formula already we have derived yesterday. When m2 is greater than the m1, that is we have discussed here. Today we will discuss the apparent weight of a person. Apparent weight of a person in a lift or elevator. In a lift or elevator. Listen clearly. Suppose, listen here, when the elevator or lift is at rest position. First case we are discussing here. When here elevator is at rest. When elevator is at rest. Listen. When elevator is at the rest position. Here, this is the elevator is at the rest position means suppose we are taken as a here elevator. This is the elevator. This is a suppose we are taken as the elevator. Inside the elevator, we are placing the one weighing machine. On this weighing machine, the person is standing. When on the weighing machine the person is standing, due to the person, the weight is acting on the elevator. It is acting on the elevator, that is in the downward direction. Now due to elevator, a normal reaction is acting on the person. That is normal reaction. This is acting in the upward direction, weight is acting in the downward direction. This normal reaction is acting due to weighing machine. This normal reaction gives the apparent weight of the person. Clearly listen here. This gives the apparent weight of person. This normal reaction gives the apparent weight of the person. Now we know that here first what is the condition taken here when elevator is at rest. Elevator is at rest means the acceleration is 0. The acceleration is 0. Here we are taken here acceleration is 0. Here acceleration is 0 means elevator acceleration is 0 means the person also standing in the elevator or lift, his acceleration also 0. Now what is here? The acceleration of the person. We are writing here. Acceleration of the person equal to 0. And when the acceleration is 0, net force on the person is 0. Net force acting on the person is 0. Now listen here. Now we are drawing the free body diagram of the person. Here FBD of a person. Free body diagram of person here. Now this is suppose a person on this person. Here normal reaction is acting in the upward direction. Now weight is acting in the downward direction. Means normal reaction is upward, weight is in downward direction, acceleration is 0. Acceleration is 0 means net force acting on the person is 0. Means net force acting on the person is 0 means N minus mg equal to 0. Both are in the opposite direction. So N equal to, what is we are getting here, mg. N equal to mg means, what is the meaning of this one? Here, what is the meaning of this one means, N is called as, already we told here, N is gives a apparent weight of person. Mg is called as actual weight of the person. Now what is here, from this we are getting N equal to mg. N equal to mg means, here N is called as a apparent weight of person. Apparent weight of the person is equal to actual weight of person. This is the first condition. In the first condition, here N equal to mg we are getting here. N is equal to mg. Meaning of this, what is the meaning of N equal to mg here? Apparent weight of the person is equal to actual weight of person. When elevator is at which position here? Rest position. Now next we are discussing the second case. Next we will discuss the second case. What is the second case here? Elevator is moving uniformly in upward direction or downward direction. Second case, when elevator is moving uniformly in upward direction or downward direction. Now this is I am considered as elevator. In this elevator, this is weighing machine. On this weighing machine, the person is standing. The weight is mg is acting in the downward direction. Now the normal reaction is acting in the upward direction. Here elevator is moving uniformly. Uniformly means it is moving with uniform velocity. When it is moving with uniform velocity, here acceleration is 0. Here acceleration is 0. Acceleration is 0 means, what is the meaning of this one here? The lift is moving with acceleration 0. Means acceleration 0 means the inside the lift the person will be standing inside the lift or inside the elevator. The acceleration of person is 0. Acceleration of the person is 0. When acceleration is 0 means net force on the person equal to 0. Now net force acting on the person is 0. Now we are drawing the free body diagram of the person. Here FBD, free body diagram of the person here. Now this is the person. Here this is a normal reaction. This is weight mg. Now acceleration is 0. Means acceleration is 0 means net force is 0. Net force 0 means, what is the meaning of this one? N minus mg equal to 0. N minus mg equal to 0 means, what is we are getting here? N equal to mg. What is the meaning of this one? N is called as a apparent weight of person. Apparent weight of person is equal to actual weight of person. actual weight of person. This is the second condition. In the when the elevator is moving uniformly in upward direction or downward direction, in both the cases acceleration is 0. Acceleration 0 means net force is 0. Net force 0 means what is we are getting here? Apparent weight of person is equal to actual weight of person. Here both the cases we are getting the same condition. In the previous condition, this condition we are getting the same. Here what is here? Condition here, apparent weight of person is equal to actual weight of person. In case 1 and case 2, same we are getting. Now in the case 3, when elevator is moving. Now case 3, what is the case 3 here? Next we will discuss the case 3. When elevator is moving, when elevator is moving upwards with an acceleration A. Here when elevator is moving upwards with an acceleration A. Now when the elevator is moving upwards with an acceleration A, listen here. Now this is the elevator. Inside the elevator we are considered as a weighing machine. On this weighing machine, the person is standing here. Now this is a normal reaction. This is a weight mg. Here normal reaction I am denoted with n1. You can take n also. Here this is denoted with n1. Here the elevator is moving up with acceleration A. Here elevator is moving with an acceleration A here. When it is moving with acceleration A, here moving with acceleration A, now the acceleration of the person, the acceleration of the person equal to A. The net force on the person is equal to mg. Now this is n1 is acting in the upward direction, mg is acting in the downward direction. Acceleration in this direction means net force also acting in this direction. Means here this is net force also acting in this direction. Now I am drawing the free body diagram of a person. Free body diagram of a person. How to draw the free body diagram of a person here? This is a person. This is normal reaction n1. This is what is their weight mg. This is a acceleration or net force. Acceleration A. Net force also acting in the same direction. So n1 is larger than the mg because net force acting in this direction. Here clearly remember, here n1 is more than the mg because net force acting in this direction. In which direction net force is acting, that force is larger. Here that is keep in the mind. Now what is I am writing here? n1. Here what is here? n1 minus mg is equal to net force. Net force is equal to what is here? The net force on the person is equal to ma, mass into acceleation. Now ma. Now from this I am writing here n1 equal to here mg plus ma. Now n1 equal to what is we are getting here? m into g plus or mg plus ma. n1 is equal directly you can write here mg plus ma. Here from this equation we can identify that here n1 is more than the mg. Why n1 is more than the mg? Here for the mg what is acting here? Ma is acting. Ma is adding. Here this is for the mg what is adding here? Ma is adding to the mg. That's the reason n1 is more. So n1 is greater than the mg. Why greater than the mg means here this is for this mg what is acting here? What is adding here? This is a mg plus ma. Means some value is adding to the mg. That's the reason n1 is more. n1 is greater than the mg. Means from this we are saying that apparent weight of person always greater than the actual weight of person. Here n1 is a normal reaction. Normal reaction gives the what is here? Apparent weight of the person. Here normal reaction is larger than the mg. Mg is gives the what is here? Actual weight of person. From this we are saying that apparent weight of person is greater than the actual weight of person. Right. This is here what is here? Third condition. Next we are going to fourth condition here. When elevator is moving in the upward place we are writing here downwards. With an acceleration a. Now here listen here. This is a elevator is moving in the downward direction with acceleration a. It is coming in this direction. So net force also acting in this direction. In this case, I am taken as a normal reaction acting on the person. I am considered as a n2. Now the acceleration of the person is a, but that is acting in the which direction? Downward direction. The net force on the person is also equal to ma. Here acceleration in the downward direction means net force also in the downward direction. Here this is a normal reaction. I am considered as n2. Here n2 mg. Acceleration is downward direction. Acceleration is a downward direction means which force is larger here? Mg is larger or n2 is larger? Here mg is larger because acceleration is acting in the downward direction. Now in which direction acceleration is there? That direction force considered as a larger. Mg is larger than the n2. So what is I am writing here? Net force mg minus of n2 is equal to net force. Net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now we are getting here mg minus, here plus is there, we are taking minus, ma is equal to n2. Right, from this we are getting here n2 is equal to mg minus ma. Here some value is subtracting from mg. That is the reason here which value here that gives the n2 value. So some value is subtracting from the mg, that gives the n2 value. So n2 is smaller than the mg. N2 gives already we know that normal reaction is gives the apparent weight of the person. So apparent weight of person is smaller than the actual weight of person. This is here what is here? Fourth condition when elevator is moving downwards with an acceleration a. Now here next we are discussing the last case. When here that is a fifth case. Here when elevator falls freely under gravity G. Means the elevator is falling freely under the gravity G. Now listen carefully. Now what is the here? This is a elevator. Now inside the elevator a weighing machine is there. On this weighing machine the person is standing. Right, the weight is acting in the downward direction. Here on this person the weight is acting in the downward direction. Now normal reaction is acting in the upward direction. Here I am considered as a N3. But elevator falls freely under gravity, means it is freely falling. Freely falling means acceleration A equal to G. It is falling towards the what is here ground. Ground means the acceleration value taken as a positive A equal to G. Now A equal to G means here when the elevator is freely falling means the acceleration of person. The acceleration of person equal to G. Why acceleration of the person is equal to G means it is a freely falling. Here A equal to G we are consider. Next to the net force. Net force on the person equal to here net force means force is equal to F equal to ma, but here acceleration A equal to G means ma equal to what is we are getting here mg. Now in this case we are drawing the free body diagram of the person. How we are drawing the free body of the person here? This is a N3 acting in the upward direction. Here mg is acting in the downward direction. Acceleration also downward direction, but A equal to value equal to what is here G. Now in this case how to write the equation? Now I am writing the here equation here. Here mg is larger or n3 is larger? Mg is larger because acceleration is acting in the downward direction. Now acceleration in the downward direction means net force also acting in the downward direction. So mg is larger. So what is I am writing here? Mg is larger means here mg minus n3 is equal to what is I am writing here? Net force. Net force is equal to ma. Now mg minus n3 is equal to ma. In the place of the a I am writing the g because acceleration of the person a equal to g. Now from this mg I am taking this side minus mg equal to n3. So mg minus mg equal to 0. Here n3 is equal to 0. n3 equal to 0 means the apparent weight of the person is 0. Here from this we are saying that n3 means normal reaction. Normal reaction is gives apparent weight. So what is here? The apparent weight of person is 0. Right. Now this is the fifth condition. These are the different conditions we are discussing when the lift is moving upwards or downwards. In all the cases we are discussing the apparent weight of the person.